welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make a very healthy and delicious chaat. It's made with all healthy ingredients. So first of all, we'll start by adding 1/4 cup of sprouted moong beans. Then goes 2 tablespoons of soaked chia seeds. I soaked them in water for around 2 hours. Then 1/4 cup of yogurt, topped with some onions. You can add cucumbers as well. Then goes green chutney. This is simple coriander and green chilies chutney. Then chaat masala, corn flakes for that crunch, and then I topped it off with sweet chutney. You can simply opt it out if you don't want sugar in your meals. So my healthy and delicious chaat is ready. All the ingredients are written in description box. Hope you like this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.